Hey, what's going on? I'm Frankie T, and today we're going to paint the Wasp from the Marvel United Core box. Right here, we're going to just start mixing up the paint a bit. There we go. Also, we're using Corvus Black and Black Green from Vallejo. You're not going to do a one-to-one mixture, you're just going to do Corvus Black with a bit of Black Green. I made the mistake of putting too much Black Green in it, and I have a huge pile of paint there now. Alright, so you're just going to put this all over the black part of the armor, which is going to be the part that's on the lower part. So the upper part's going to be yellow. So just keep doing this for a while, and you're going to keep mixing it up, putting it all over, and you're going to end up with a nice black green under armor. And then you're going to put all these paints on, and you're going to mix them up all over the body, put some on the top, on the wings, use some washes on the wings, some blue and red, and then you're going to dry brush the ground, the dirt with some Battlefield Brown, XV88, some Xandri dust, and then you're done. There you go, you have the Wasp. Model's complete, perfect and everything. You don't need to do anything else. This is what happens, and the model's done. Nothing left to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when new videos are released. Thank you for watching, and this is how you paint the Wasp from the Marvel United Core box. Thanks again, and take care. Frankie T out.